Hello everybody and welcome to the Crafty Ninja channel. We're going to start by painting his chin and his belly light blue. Be sure to get all the areas around Scrump and underneath Stitch's arms as you paint this area. Next we are going to paint Scrump. We're going to paint the entire body, not the bow or the buttons, but you're going to cover the whole body in this aqua teal-like color, and I will link the name of the color in the description along with all the other paint colors that I use. And you're just going to paint the entire body this aqua color. So I struggled a little bit with the color for his body. I wanted his color to be a little bit on the lighter side, so I took a blue and a gray and I mixed them approximately half and half to get the color that I wanted for his body. So you're just going to paint his entire body this color except for the area around the eyes and his ears. Be sure to get the edges of his ears as well. For his fingers, just go slow and be as careful as you can not to get the blue on Scrump. Next we're going to paint the entire bottom of the cup the same blue color, including the stainless steel part, unless you really want to keep that unpainted. Next you want to paint the area around the eyes the same light blue as the chin and belly. Next we're going to paint his nose a dark blue. We'll use the same blue to paint the markings on the back of his head and his back. We'll also use the same blue to paint the circle right in the center of both of his feet. Now we're going to paint his eyes and his eyebrows black. Next we're going to paint his claws and his toenails black. You can also paint them the same dark blue that we used earlier if you prefer. I am also painting the line where his mouth is black as well. For the white dots in the eyes, I like to use my ball tool. For Scrump's left eye button, we are going to paint it black. Like we did with Stitch's mouth, we are going to paint Scrump's mouth black, doing your best to avoid the stitches on the mouth. For the thread on the button for his belly, we are going to also paint that black. For the right eye button and the button on his belly, we are going to paint it the dark blue that we used earlier. For the thread of the left eye and the hair strands, I decided to give it a nice white base coat because I feel that yellow just pops a little bit better on white and I use a little bit less coats. I decided to also do it to the bow as well. Now we're going to paint the thread yellow as well as the hair strands. Next we're going to paint the bow a light pink. For the threads on the mouth, we're going to paint it a nice bright red. For the insides of the ears, I went with kind of a pinkish purple color. You can also do this as more of a purple color if you prefer. When you are finished with his ears, you will be completely done. Be sure to seal him with epoxy or an epoxy alternative if you are making this on a tumbler. And here he is. If you enjoyed watching me make this, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and remember to stay crafty.